Hi, I want to show you how to insert SIM card and check mobile settings on Google Pixel 9a. For that, as a first step, take this tool, which is called Ejector, and goes in a conflict with a device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can try to use a needle. But be careful because you may damage the slot. Now, we need to take this tool, take a look at the bottom of the phone and find SIM tray right here. So you are going to insert this tool in this little hole on this tray. Do not confuse it with this hole because it's microphone, so we are going to put it in this hole. Now slightly press till the slot will pop up like this and remove it using your nails. Now, if you take a close look, you will see here a space only for one physical SIM card, but you can set up an eSIM if needed. So, take your SIM card and place with chip side upwards like that. Then, just hold it with your fingernail and then put it carefully back in the phone. Also, make sure that you put it in the right position so those holes matches right here. And close the tray completely. After that, unlock your phone and you should see those signal bars appears in the top right corner. So this like little triangle which stands for the connection. Now go ahead and open settings. From here choose network and internet and tap on SIMs. Now you should see your phone number as well as network provider and this option to use mobile data. Also option to add an eSIM. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.